Hello and welcome to my channel Missy Debs. In today's video, I'm going to share a home remedy for dark armpits. For this, you will need lemon. Cut it into 4 pieces and keep it aside. And apart from this, you will need multani mitti. I purchased it from the brand called Alps Goodness. You can take whatever brand you prefer and what is good for your skin. So let's begin with the video. Now let's jump to the video. So in a bowl, take 4 teaspoons of multani mitti. Multani mitti is also known as a natural cleanser. Why? Well, multani mitti stops secretion of excessive oil as well as it also prevents the acne. So it will automatically stop bad odor in our armpit. Multani mitti does also have a mild bleaching effect, which will also help our underarm to get whitened in very few days after using this pack. So to make it into a liquid consistency, we have to add an adequate quantity of water. Now just start the spoon and mix the water and the multani mitti and just make it into a pack. So it's time for our second ingredient. Now as I have taken 4 teaspoons of multani mitti, so I will add 2 1/4 lemon pieces. So now you have to squeeze the juice and add it to the bowl. Lemon is known as a natural bleacher. It will help you to lighten your skin tone as well as it will also reduce the bad odor in our armpit. So this is going to work as a miracle. But remember one thing, never use lemon directly to any of your skin part like underarm or your neck area or especially on your face, because excessive citrus on your skin is not healthy and not good, because it will cause irritation and it may make your skin hypersensitive. So that's why never use lemon direct to your skin. Always combine it with other main ingredient, then you can add it, and also remember to put it in a correct quantity. So now we have to mix the pack together, and when it's ready, just apply it on your underarm as I am applying it on my hand to make it easier for you to understand. So like this, you have to just rub the pack on your underarm and let it dry for at least 10 minutes. It will take only 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes to dry up. So when it's dry, all you have to do is just take a towel and dip it into cold water and then slowly rub it off. Never ever try to just scrub it. Always be gentle on your skin, because skin elasticity gets affected if you are very harsh on your skin. Always be very gentle on your skin, because this pack is not only going to reduce the bad odor as well as it will lighten your skin. It will also exfoliate your skin and it will remove the dead skin cells from your underarm. So if you liked my video, do like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned to my channel for more videos like this. Till then, bye bye.